Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about advanced string formatting in Python. As you might be aware of that we can use str.format in Python, but then there is a far better way which was introduced in Python 3.6 and later versions, which is fstrings. And these are by far the simplest method to format a string in Python. Let's see how to use them. Let's call out two variables. To be someone, and let's call it age to be 24. Now f strings are directly used with an f keyword. Okay, then an f keyword and then the string, that's why they are called f string. Hello, and those variables will be placed inside curly braces. Oh, well, let's try to run this. Here you can see, hello Herschel, your age is 24. That is the output. So these are the simplest way to format a string. We can also use capital F in some of the versions of 3.6. See again, here you can see. Hello Herschel, your age is 24. Okay, so now let's see how we can use it in multiple ways. Okay, so we can directly call calculation here, like suppose if you want to multiply something with the age and we want to call it out here. Here you can see 42. So the variable into age. So you can directly apply a mathematical formula here, or you can also use a function here. Let's see that. Let's call out a function. Okay. And let's say it returns x into y. Okay. Call out comma age and execute it. See again, here you go. So you can directly call an expression, you can directly call a function inside the f strings. So you can see, so this is the by far the best method to format a string. Let's go and see its use cases, one of the implementation, how and where we can use it. Okay, let's go ahead and define a class. Let's call out a class named student. Okay, let's define it init method x comma y self dot name is equal to x self dot age is equals to y. Okay, now let's define a name function. Cool. Then from here let's return f of hello self dot name. You are self dot age years old. Similarly, we can have multiple functions here which might be returning a name, age, class, subjects, etc. Okay, now let's create an object of a student. Similar Herschel and 24, and just print here st.name. Let's see. Str object is, oh, I bumped into So instead of using a name function, I must use either str or a REPR function, which denotes that a string is treated as an object. So if when I have not used it, it was throwing as an error. Okay, so here you can see. So we can have a class student from where if we want to get the name, so we can simply have a function here like get details. Okay, with the get details function, it will return all the details in a string format which you want to append to a CSV or to any other file. Let's move on to another concept. So guys, I'm skipping down to the content, so I am reducing the video length. So I have eliminated the video where I was typing. So we can also use multi-line if strings here, like in this message. And when I'm trying to print a message now, let's see what it prints. So here it prints, hi, my name is Harshal. You are a worker and you are an employee. So we can also use multi-line F strings. And one of the most usable, I think one of the most useful use case of F strings are in the simple debugging. So you can have simple F strings, it is very easy to write, and you can place them anywhere within your functions to determine the value uh, returned by that function. Okay, it will be very easy to test during intermediate steps when we are still developing the code. Now coming back to one more restriction here. So if you cannot include a comment inside an f string, so you cannot use hash inside an f string. That is one of the limitations here. Okay, and why should we use it rather than using str.format and other string formatting methods within Python? So here in f strings, the f stands for fast. So this is fast formatting. So we must use it within Python. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.